Gas, electric, or induction?
There's nothing like cooking on gas. It's by far the best. But I am slowly being convinced to induction for one major reason, and that is cleanup. We cook a lot in my house. I have 2 young kids. We cook, 3 meals a day, sometimes more. And having to kind of disassemble a gas stove and the grates and get in there and clean is a very lengthy process.
Yes.
So to have an induction stove where you and wipe it clean in 5 seconds is quite lovely, I gotta say. So, and in my experience, I went from electric to induction 2 days before Christmas, actually, before hosting 30 people in my house, which was a lovely thing to do. But it functions very similar to gas. Electric stoves, they're either on or off, so they can modulate the temperature. So if you need like a low simmer or a medium simmer, it's very hard to achieve that with electric.
Right.
You often end up burning everything. But induction has done a better job of kind of mimicking gas when cooking. Yeah, so I would, it's like right there. So if you cook a lot, I'd lean towards induction. If you don't, there's nothing like cooking on gas.